Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make bulgogi or Korean barbecue beef. To get started, I have some ribeye steak here. I purposely left it in a package to show you all what it looks like. I usually get it from the Asian market or the Asian store. It's already thinly sliced and it's specially made for this particular recipe. I also will be using some Asian pear. This is common inside of the Korean barbecue beef. It's usually used to make the beef nice and tender, and it's kind of like an apple, but it's a pear. And if you can't find this, you could just omit it. I also have some onions, garlic, scallions. I have soy sauce, some water, rice wine, and I'll be using some black and white pepper, some brown sugar. So let's jump into this recipe. So first you want to grate the aromatics along with the pear. I'm only using 1/4 of the pear and 1/4 of an onion along with a few cloves of garlic. All the correct measurements will be listed down below. Once everything is grated, you want to grab a mixing bowl and we will begin to make our marinade. You want to add all the ingredients into the bowl, mix well and set aside. So once I remove the beef from the package, I give it a quick rinse, and this is how thin the beef is cut. Like if you want to make a cheesesteak, this is the kind of steak that's used for that as well. So next we will go ahead and marinate the beef by adding that marinade that we made, and we will mix well and just cover and allow it to marinate overnight. You'll place it in the fridge, and tomorrow I'll show you what's next. So fast forward to the next day, this is what the beef is looking like. It has absorbed all of that marinade, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Here I have some chopped onions that I'll be using as well. So what you want to do is preheat a skillet, and then we'll cook our onions first. Allow the onions to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll remove the onions and we will start cooking our beef. To the same skillet, I will now add the beef, and we'll just separate the beef a bit because we want it separated and not all clogged together. So once that is separated, we'll go ahead and start flipping it, and you want to toss it around, make sure that it's cooked on all sides, and you want to make sure most of that liquid is dried out. So we'll allow it to go for a bit. Now because I use the pear, the beef is super tender. Also, I'm using ribeye steak. That matters as well. And yeah, once the beef is fully cooked, you want to taste it. And if you want to add some soy sauce, or you don't want to add soy sauce, that's fine. Just go in with your onions, toss it around nicely, turn the heat off, and get ready to plate up. It's that simple, that easy, and this beef is absolutely delicious. And here you have it, my version of Korean barbecue beef. I did serve this up with some plain white rice and some Chinese broccoli, and it was absolutely divine. My entire family enjoyed it, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.